One of the rare ports that we have lighted marker buoys coming in at night. A very, very rare thing. Normally we come into a strange port just winging it.
Yeah.
And using the GPS. In fact, Sis just set up the GPS and we're tracking our old course out. You can see that arrow, that's the boat, and we're going right down our old course. Pretty cool. And we got a standard boat compass. We're sailing about 220, and we haven't turned our radar on. There's no real need to have radar on in bright sunny light. But later on at dusk we'll turn the radar on. We'll have radar, depth finder, compass, and GPS tracking our way, keeping us safe and on course. Well, we just went through a little rainstorm, but the sky has gotten so awesomely pretty.
But we're dry.
So you want to go by me, Sid?
I'm going to turn right into here and go make burgers.
Yeah, we're kind of pretty sky. We're just leaving Costa Rica and we're heading right towards Panama, a little land right here. And right off this tip, we will be in Panama. Well, after sailing all night, motor sailing, we've made it to Panamanian waters, and we're just the backside of the Vid, heading to the little islands called Gomez, and that's where we're going to meet our guide that's going to take us into the river here 2 days from now. And Judy and Dennis are surprised because boaters that they know are already here, and Judy's talked to them on the radio and they gave us a welcome and said come on in. Judy's gonna hoist the flag here. She might be able to do it herself. So we're taking the Costa Rican flag down, and go ahead, Danny. Da 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 da. Judy has the Costa Rican flag down. We got to unstring it or untie it. Then we'll put up the Panama flag. All right. We got Dennis and Judy preparing the flag here. We got coming right into the Isle of Gomez. We got boats and a little fuel boat, and maybe they got candy bars.
Yeah,
who
Milky
knows?
Ways.
It's Milky Way for Dennis.
Okay, I got your behind there. Let's see the flag. Jim, let's see the flag. I got your rear end. There we go. I know, but I didn't have the button on. There we go.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
All respect to the flag.
You bet.
Dennis, is there anything, so we just tie it on here?
Tie it on the round thing.
Okay, we're gonna. If we knew the Panama anthem, we could sing, but we don't. So.
Okay, the raising of the flag.
You can cut the little green thing.
Oh, then that's.
What do you want to do?
Cut the little green thing.
Please move your butt. There we go.
For Panama.
Let's go.
Honoring the little country. We started out in California, USA.
Yeah.
Mexico. What's after Mexico? El Salvador.
El Salvador, Nicaragua. Da-da. Oh, there we go. We are officially in Panama. December 8th, 2004. There we go. Where are we going?
We got tangled up there, so the line is just holding
Beautiful new bright red, white, and blue flag for Panama. We hope we've got it up on the right colors on top. All right, boys.
We can take it from there. We get Panama salute.
Where are the boys? Are they saluting? Are you saluting? Let's see your salute.
Oh, yes.
There we go. Mom, and you're leaving?
Well, we've made it to our anchorage, and we're on the most incredible little tropical island right here with white sandy beach that we've all heard about in Boquete. And boy, there's a number of boats, and then we even have a restaurant boat that has cokes and beers and gas and tackle and all kinds of items sitting out here running that huge boat all the way out here just to sell a few candy bars. Pretty interesting. Anyhow, what a beautiful place. Here's a private beach and island with nearly white sand, and we have arrived in Panama, and we're at, what's the name of the island?
Isla Gomez.
Gomez. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
A little spot.
And we have other boats here.
Our friends Libre and Sea Cardinal and Sarah.
Oh, you know all these people
Sure.
then.
Yeah.
Wow. The adventurous couple, Judy says.
Yeah.
They've been
Sea Cardinal. Their last name is Cardinal.
Cardinal. Sea Cardinal is the name of their boat, and Judy was saying that they hacked their way through the jungle and went to the
Tikal
ruins and Tikal
They've gone
ruins,
everywhere.
which we've been there, but I can't imagine going that way. And then Judy said that they got full of ticks, that the one lady had
Jungle.
2 or 3, 4, 500 ticks on her body after they came up through the jungle. Wow.
But they,
I'm impressed with this beach here.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sis.
Oh, no, it's fine. I just wanted to say goodbye to them when they go by.
Okay. Well, we got a boat leaving as we arrive, and dogs barking and people excited, and they're heading our way. Going to go right past our boat here in just a few minutes.
Yeah, we're looking forward to
So interesting that all of these boats are Dennis and Judy's friends, so this is like old home week.
Thank
and
you.
Judy's talking to her friend.
Diesel.
Yeah, diesel and cheap beer for 50 cents on the barge.
Oh, wow.
What?
Yeah. Let's see if we can see Abby Sue go.
That they've been sailing with.
Thing. Been raised on that boat. She climbs that thing like a monkey. Boy.
Is that right?
Yeah.
He's waving goodbye there, yeah. They're heading on out. They've spent their few days here. Where are they going next, you know, sis? Are they going to go through the canal, do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Probably.
Wow.
Everybody kind of goes when they get there. What their plans are, they're going to go to, they may go to Ecuador for this season.
It's the gas, and we already showed pictures of that.
Abby's singing to Linda. Good, we missed you. Thank you. Yeah.
Too wiggly.
I'm sorry we didn't get to play with you here. What is it? Oh, you caught a good hermit crab. Good for you. Bye, sweetheart.
Yeah, sorry to leave right when you guys are getting.
Yeah, we were hoping for at least a hug, you know, but where are you headed to, Frank?
Just going to the Sekas.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Where-
only a little bit.
Yeah, I thought it was the generator.
Our generator. Good to see you, Jenny. Bye, Abby Sue. Yeah.
Nice seeing you.
We're gonna go up into we're going into Pedregal for 2 weeks for Christmas. My brother on board,